Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Arfan Hussain. I will discuss about how you can make money online by using Canva design. So let's get started. Why we have to learn Canva? First of all, we are in Fiverr. Fiverr is the one of the best and popular marketplace in the world. So many of guys create gigs and provide a service by using Fiverr. So we'll use a Canva. We'll learn how to design banner, how to design a template by using Canva. Why we should learn it? First of all, look at these gigs. I charge, just type only Canva banner, so I got some result. So in this gig, there has no lot. There don't have the don't in this gig keyword. You can find lots of providers. So if you think that you don't know lots of things in IT sector, just you know how to use Canva, so you can make money online. You can start your freelancing career. If you I already charged lots of result, and this one person already he got 480 review, and in the just he provides and he designed flyer, poster, banner for social media, like that. So another person already this service is starting at $20, and another gig also I see. So lots of work available and lots of people providing the services by using Canva design. So we have to go to the Canva if we want to make a banner. So we'll make a banner. So I just open this one, and okay, this person will design a flyer, poster, banner, and social media post, ebook in Canva and Photoshop. So if you know and one page design, and contact me before placing an order. So this person is providing this service. One page will be designed by this person at $50. So standard package and 5 page design and premium design, and he will provide 10 page design, $100. So whatever he will provide in this package, and if you charge, if you see the gigs details, then you will see. So this person will submit that work within 1 hour. So if you are expert in Canva, so you can make a design, and you can also design within short time. So let's get started. We'll make a design. We'll make a LinkedIn cover design or Facebook cover design. So let's go to the canva.com. Already I have an account in Canva, so I just want to make a Facebook cover. So just type Facebook cover. Okay, click on the charts button, and you will see lots of templates. Already I got 22k plus templates available here. So which templates is perfect suitable for you, and you can choose one of them. So I want to select this one. Okay, I just select this one. So now I'm going to customize this template. So I just want to delete some of the things from here, and you can also add another things whatever you need. First of all, I want to delete this picture from here, I want to add my another picture from my list. This one, delete this one, and click on here and the best. I can add my subtitle here. So I already written the sum here, and already I input some information here, so you can customize as you wish, whatever you want to input or whatever you want to delete. So I want to delete the company name, so as I have a company, so I can delete this one. So go here and click on the double click, just write silicon. Okay, and we can also delete the logo name, and I want to delete this one. If you want to delete, if you want to copy, and you can click on here. So I don't want to this one, I want to delete this one, so I want to add another logo from here. So I will find my logo, whatever I already added in my uploaded files. So charts here, which logo you want to add. So I want to add any logo from here. Just type, I want to add this logo in here. So crop this size or decrease the size. Okay, I already added my logo here, and right now we have to add the picture on this frame. This is called frame. So if you don't like this frame, so you can add any frame. You can find frame here, go to the elements and just type frame. So I want to see all. If you want to see lots of frames sample here, so choose one of them. I just click on this frame. If you want to big size, if you want to increase the size, so you can do it easily. So this one, this is my size, this is my frame size, so you can set this frame in the middle position. So got it. And right now if you want to change the background color, so you can choose one of them. So this is my background color, so I already change this one. So you can also add a picture on this frame. So how you can do it, go to the upload option. So already I uploaded some picture here. So if you don't have any picture, so you can upload from this file. So go to the files option, and I'm just going to upload a picture from here. I'm still now searching the picture, which picture I will upload here. So I still didn't got it, so go to the image option, so click on the camera. Okay, still didn't got it. Okay, this picture, I'm just going to upload this picture. Okay, uploading started, is already started. So Okay, done. So check it out. Okay, this is my uploaded picture recently. Okay, so I don't want to use this whole picture. I want to change the background just just using the one click. So this is the best facility, this is the best one, best option, and where you can remove the background of the picture from any from the picture. Just click, select this one, and go to the edit image. Okay, then you will see bg remover, that means background remover. So click on the background remover. So within few seconds, that uh, that picture's background will be removed. So it's still working. Okay, done. I have already changed the background picture. So if I zoom in this picture, then you don't see any background from this picture. So already I have deleted this background. So how you can set this background, so how you can set this picture on these circles on this frame. So just drag. So if you want to, okay, this is not working. This isn't working. I'm just going back. No. Still, I'm just going to click on the background removal. As well as I am using mobile, so that's why. Okay, it's done. And click on the apply button, and okay. So I just set this picture. So if you want to customize this picture size, so you can double click here, so you can set the picture on the circle. So this one, so you can, okay, done. Okay, I have already done. Okay, done. I already set my picture here, so this one. So if you want to delete the any background color, so you can do it easily. So let's click on the, let's edit this website name. Just type www.facebook.com/arfncu. This is my Facebook URL name. So you can okay, just click on here, see you. Okay, this one, done. This one, I just going back. Okay, done. So right now I want to upload this picture. I want to share my picture with my clients, or I want to share my picture on my Facebook account. So I'm just going to download this one and go to the, click on the share button. and click on the download option. So there is some file type here. So which file type you need, just select this one. So I want to select the JPG format. So then I want to download this one. So click on the download option. So this picture is already started the downloading. So downloaded completion. Okay, successfully downloaded. So right now I want to use this picture. I want to download the picture in my Facebook account. So as well as we choose the template size. So I want to check it out. So is this perfect for my Facebook cover or not? So click on the, I want to log in this my page. Where is my page? Okay, I didn't find still right now, so I'm still searching. Okay, click on here. This one. Okay, change the picture, change the cover photo and upload photo. I already designed this one. Okay, right now, and I'm just going to upload this one. Click on the save button. Okay, I have successfully uploaded the picture on my Facebook. So I hope that this tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you think that we want to get more tips on tricks on Canva design or digital marketing or competing, so don't forget to make a comment on my video description. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you subscribe my YouTube channel, I'll be inspired and I can make lots of secret tips how you can make money online easily. Thank you so much.